lemon juice, not lemon. So we're gonna use 1 thing of lemon juice, like that. We got the garlic juice right here. Woo! Woo! Man, that garlic's strong. And we're using onion juice right here. Concentrated. All right, next up, y'all, we're gonna throw down 2 sticks of butter in there. Because you know, everybody dips them in butter, so we add a little butter to our ball right here. Throw in that butter. All right, here we go. Now we got our Southern Boy seasoning right here. We're gonna get it down right here. Southern Boy seasoning, you gotta order it right there at southernboys.com. Brother Dallas give me his knife here. Got the little, is that the Weeby? Oh, a little Weeby here. Ooh, here you go. Oh, I'm supposed to close it, Dallas. You know the old saying. Close that up. Ooh, I almost spilled it. There you go, right there. That's a 4-pound bag of seasoning. We're gonna dump that right in. There we go. All right, now, y'all, we're gonna fire this Loco up. We're boiling with a 90-quart Loco today, so we're gonna fire it up. Now we're gonna go ahead and add them potatoes in there. Check that out, y'all. Woo, don't that look good? These snow crab legs right here. That's them old bland snow crabs been steamed. We're gonna go ahead and add that into that 90-quart right there. Add it into that good Louisiana seasoning, you know what I mean? Oh man, look at that. Man, you talk about gonna be good. Ooh, get in there. Are they all gonna fit? I don't know, we're gonna see. Oh, look at that right there, y'all. Look at that, get them all down in there. Now, what we're gonna do right now, y'all, I'm gonna shut this lid on this 90-quart. Shut that lid like that. I'm gonna let them boil for about 5 minutes. Just shut that fire down, y'all. Now, we're letting them soak. Now we're in the soak process. And what we want to do, we want to stop that boil. We want to get that temperature down. So we're going to drop a block of ice in it. Drop that block of ice in there like that. Ooh, that helps cool that water down. Then y'all, we're going to go ahead. We're going to add our corn and a little Mr. B, little bees, brandy bees in there. Oh, she'd be mad at me for messing up her name there. Anyway, we done add little brandy bee sausages in there. Get all that soaked in there. And that ice right there, y'all, what that's gonna do is help cool that water down. Give a little dump here, man. Look at that, y'all. Look how pretty that looks right there, y'all. We're gonna bring it on up right there. And what we do, we're gonna leave them in right here. In this here, we'll pull some out. Check out them beautiful snow crabs right there. Got all the corn, potatoes, and sausage. All right, we'll give y'all a little rundown on how to eat them here. Brandon is the professional at eating it. Miller's Mark here. But what I like doing, I'll pop them like that, just like that. I'll break that end of it off right here like this. Break that end off, pop them right here in the center. Move it a little bit, pull it out. Look at all that meat right there, y'all. That's some good stuff. Show them how it's done, Brandon.
I don't know if there's a wrong way. Yeah, pop that off. Pull that right on through. Look at that. There you go, right there. And if by chance you get that one that don't feel right, which these were done to perfection, so that ain't a problem. Let's say you got that kid at home that breaks it all to pieces. Wonderful little tool here. Take that right there, run it right on up that crab. Open it up, and there you go.
Pull it out that way.
Just like that.